In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to cut out a text shape from an image in PowerPoint. This technique is perfect for giving your presentation a creative boost, combining text and imagery to create a stunning visual effect that grabs your audience's attention. First, open PowerPoint on your computer and navigate to the presentation you want to enhance. Then, go to the slide that contains the image you want to work with. Next, click on the Insert tab at the top of the interface and select Text Box. Position the text box over your image where you want the cutout to appear, then type your desired text. Make it bold and clear so it stands out when cut from the image. With your text ready, go to the Shape Format tab. Now, select both your image and text by holding the Control key and clicking on the image first. Then the text box. In the Shape Format tab, click Merge Shapes and choose Intersect. This action will cut out your text shape from the image, creating a text shape hole that reveals the image behind it. And that's it. You've transformed your slide into a visually dynamic presentation element. Feel free to experiment with different fonts, sizes, and images to explore endless creative possibilities. Thanks for watching, and I hope this tutorial inspires you to take your PowerPoint slides to the next level.